太极拳 grasp the bird's tail. 捧 wound off. Raise arm too high between chest and lips and keeps it curved. The front knee of the bell stance should not bend over the toe. 留 pull back. Pull back both hands in a curve. All weight must shift to the back leg. Keep the torso straight. 挤 press. Keep both arms rounded while pressing forward. Both forearms should be kept. Part the horse's mane. When separating hands, keep both arms rounded. The front hand should be between the shoulder and the nose. The front knee of the bell stance should not bend over the toe. Brush knee. Keep the arms rounded while brushing the knee. The hand that is moving forward must pass by the ear on its path. When stepping forward, the toes of the back foot must not touch the ground. Don't bend the knee of the supporting leg too much. The front knee of the bell stance should not bend over the toe. Cloud hand. Use the waist at the axis to move the torso, within the hands also moving in vertical circles in front of the body. The hands should be below the eyebrow. Keep the body at the same level. Jade lady works the shuttle. Keep both arms rounded. The movements of the hand blocking up and the hand pushing forward should be coordinated. The hand pushing forward should be between the wrist and eyebrow. Sink the eyebrow, drop the shoulder, relax the wrist, and tuck in the buttocks. 掩手红锤. Turn the arm inwards. Punch forward from the ribs, at the same time rotating the arm until the palm is facing downwards. The power of the punch should be expressed through knuckles of the fist, but the wrist should be kept loose. Keep the fist between your chest and waist. Repulse manis. Take a slight step backwards. Keep the body at the same level and do not lean left or right. The hand pushing forwards should be between the shoulder and eyebrow. Parry, block, punch. Always keep the eyeball bent, while parrying and blocking the hand should move in a visible circle. The movement of the hands and the turning of the body should be coordinated. Tai Chi sword. Thrust. Thrust the sword straight out from the body. The arm and edge of the sword should be in line. The power of the movement should be expressed through the tip of the sword. Quan. Start with the sword vertical. Move the sword either up and back or down across the body in a circular motion. The blade of the sword should be as close to the body as possible. The power of the movement should be expressed through the front of the sword blade. 撩 Start with the sword vertical. Strike the sword upward in a curve in front of the body. The power of the movement should be expressed through the front of the sword blade. 点 Point. Pull the wrist back until the sword is vertical and then strike forward and downward. The power of the movement should be expressed through the tip of the sword. P. Chop or hack. The sword is vertical and is chopped downwards. The power movement should be expressed through the length of the blade. 截 Intercept. Block and strike out diagonally up or down with the length of the blade. The power of the movement should be expressed through the front section of the blade. 抹 With the sword horizontal extend out and draw back in a curved action. The sword should be between chest and lower abdomen. The power of the movement should be expressed through the length of the blade. 脚 Starting with sword horizontal and slightly bent elbow, rotate the tip of the sword clockwise or anti-clockwise in a small vertical circles. The power of the movement should be expressed through the front section of the blade. Stance. Bow stance. Couch stance. Empty stance. 南 broadsword.